Alright, hey guys, we're at another Asian nursery here and we're gonna try and get some soursop and coffee. Wow, take a look at how many trees we got here. These aren't really the fruiting trees. We found some star fruits. They're for a decent price, but I don't know, just depends on which kind of thing we want. And a cherry also for the same price. Wow, they have everything here. We got star fruits, cabas. I think we're gonna get another Logan tree though, a bigger one, more healthy. Okay. We also got a coffee. Got our 2 new plants, some more potting soil, and some another fertilizer. So we're gonna go plant them. So we're trying to plant the Logan tree where we had this lychee, and I cut some cuts into it, and some greens started growing out. So what we're gonna try and do is actually grow something out of this, and hopefully get the same genotype of a plant as we had over there, because it was grafted from a tree, not grown from a seed. So maybe we can actually get something out of this. So what I'm gonna do is make a few more cuts in it and put it in a cup of water, and then throw it in a hot car over there. It'll act as kind of like a greenhouse for it. So we're gonna see if we can actually grow something from this. Just cuts across like that, downward. So we got it in here, and we're just gonna stick it in the car. And so basically, we got some little growth on the outside, I noticed, so maybe it could be salvageable, I thought. So if we start growing more of these and it doesn't die off, then we're gonna cut it up, put some rooting hormone on there, and actually try to grow this thing back. All right, now that that's in there, let's go dig up the roots and plant our trees. We got the tree in, watered it up, put a little bit of the fertilizer on the bottom, and now we're gonna work on the coffee. So for coffee plants, it's good to water them on top once in a while because it simulates the rainfall and humidity of Hawaii. Not too much, just soak off the leaves a little bit. That's a good thing to do for them. Okay, well, the syntropic form is coming together. So yeah, we got all the other 2 trees in, and there's only a few left. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do a jackfruit because there isn't a lot of space for it, since we got the Logan there. And there's just not a lot of space, and it's really hard to find. It will take a while to grow. So my plans are, I'm thinking of we're gonna have a pineapple like in between every plant, just to cover the ground. Right here, I think we're gonna probably put just a papaya here. It'll grow straight up, and it will help shade this guy right here, the coffee. I don't think these guys need to be in the shade, but they do kind of like it, and they like the humidity, so we'll do something like that. In between here, I think we can even plant a pineapple, and maybe one there. Right here, I think we have space for more than a pineapple, maybe like a small mulberry bush, or maybe we'll actually get the Suriname cherry. So right here, we might think about putting in a banana. Right here, originally, it was supposed to be the coffee here, and then a chaya there. I still want to get the chaya because they look nice. And I want to have some sort of like leaf diversity here, you know. We want some big leaves, not just like medium and small, simulate the actual jungle, or maybe even a palm like that up there, just a small little shrub or something. But yeah, it's really coming together. This was the 2nd planting, and tomorrow hopefully we'll finish it off. Oh yeah, and of course we'll have to have our grape, so maybe we'll put that in the middle since it will just climb around here and stuff. Alright, so we just found another peach tree. I was thinking of planting one, and back here we just found another one. What was this? Was grown from seeds?
Yep, I threw it.
Oh
and
my
it
goodness.
grew.
So yeah, it's not like germinated properly, or we don't know if it'll actually make a good fruit, but
It might be like the same as the other tree,
it's
but
worth
we'll
trying.
see. Once they get up high and start
This is one of 3 that we
receiving
did.
sunlight.
So we're gonna put some steer manure on it and some pure nitrogen.
On this?
Yeah. Alright, so we also check out that dragon fruit. I don't really know how we're gonna get up here. But there are peaches growing in this mess of avocados and sugarcane. I'm gonna try and get around and show you it. So right behind me is a strawberry tree, the one right there. And then right over here is our, all of our stuff. On top of the chicken cage right now, and wow, you can see that is the most healthy dragon fruit I've ever seen. It's huge. But also, you can see a peach right there. Balancing on this, very difficult. I'm gonna try and get in a little bit closer so I can show you, and we'll check if we have any flowers. But seriously, that thing is really growing. We found it. It's right here. It's got some, the leaves are a bit yellow, but like new growth kind of yellow.
That's because it's
Look at all
competing.
those dragon fruits.
It's competing sunlight with everybody.
Wow.
So,
This is insane. I can't believe we have a peach tree. I don't know if it's gonna work though. The other ones didn't, but that's cool. Look at the canopy that's back here. I haven't ever been in this part of the backyard. It's just really hard. Yeah, and then here's the dragon fruits right here, doing really well. Back here we got steer manure growing all around this thing. Here, let's put some. Whoops. Put some of this around it. Yeah, down here you can see the base. There's not a lot of leaves. There's hardly any sunlight that gets through this canopy of dragon fruit here. So
okay, how
it
much?
grows way up there.
How much?
Just sprinkle some around it.
Even this too, the tree?
No, it's for fruit trees.
Huh?
Well, I guess you could put it on this. Yeah, but make sure you water it after. And then we have, this is grass fertilizer here, but it is 12-4-2 or something.
Okay, like it? Like it?
Yep, just
How
sprinkle
much?
it. So I'm gonna throw some
How
of this
much?
in. That's good, not a lot. Alright. Oh,
Oops.
that's a lot.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
There.
Alright, so now we're gonna
Save it
water
for-
this. We're gonna soak it
No,
down.
I need to put.
So I'm just gonna soak this down. Yeah, it always does that. I seriously can't believe we found this. So look at it, the most sickly looking peach tree you've ever seen, but up there it's looking pretty well, pretty good. We got a lot of spots on the leaves right here though. So yeah, we're just gonna soak. Well, that's good soaking. It should help so that we don't get any burn. But yeah, I'm just amazed at this. It's broken off there. I've seen this before. I thought it was like a weird looking passion fruit or something. But yeah, we got our sugar canes here. We're gonna probably make some sugar out of them this year too. But yeah, we haven't gotten any fruit off this dragon fruit yet, so hopefully this year we might, because we use some of the fruit tree fertilizer. Maybe that'll help out. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next episode. We're probably gonna do probably some more planting, but also stay tuned for the 4-week, I think it is, garden update, or 5-week or something. I'm gonna work on some fertilizing methods in there, and probably more with the Centropic farm.